What's up, guys? It's your boy Joaquin Olivas, and you know what kind of video is going to be today. Today I'm going to be playing MX versus ATV supercross, and yeah, my game set up right over there in my mom's room, and yeah, it's over there, and yeah, so I'm taking y'all over there. As you can see, it's snowing outside. It's bad. And my brother, he's over there taking a shower in his room. Here's my room, which is kind of a mess. It needs a bed. And here I go. Here's my restroom. Alright, I'm in my mom's room. As you can see, I'm in my mom's room. And this is a game that we're going to be playing today. I'm going to set up the camera somewhere to see if it is actually going to work, or I don't know if it's going to work, but let's try. I got to move all these blankets. It's a mess. I got to put my pillows on top for my back. It's an Xbox 360 if y'all mind. Here's the game. And I'm going to be giving this game out. I don't know when, but I'm going to be giving it out to the first subscriber that y'all put me. And here's the background. And yeah. Okay, guys. Let me see. Let me sit here real quick. Can y'all see? Hold on. I'm only gonna do 3 laps. Trying to make you see it better. Okay, guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm only gonna be doing 3 laps because this is gonna be kind of hard to control it since I have y'all on my phone, and yeah. So I'm gonna be doing single race. Hold on, let me zoom in a little if y'all can't see. What? Oh, I can't zoom in, guys. I'm sorry. So I guess y'all gonna have to see it. Y'all can see good either way. So as you can see, I have them unlocked still. Okay, I got Anaheim, Phoenix, Los Angeles, Atlanta, and Indianapolis. I'm gonna be playing Phoenix because that's like where I was born at, and so yeah, it's on rookie because like I told y'all already, since it's gonna be a little hard to keep the camera steady and stuff, so I'm gonna be starting the event. Okay, guys, I'm starting. She's pretty thick right there. She's ugly because it's animated. As you can see, here's my dirt bike. I'm right here. I'm the one that's being crazy right now. And it starts now. I got a good pretty start right there. And so yeah, it is kind of difficult. Even though it's on rookie, but because they pass it fast. I got a kind of good start, but because I did it on time, I pushed the gas on time, and yeah, I hate this big landing spot. that it's only with 3 laps. So I'm gonna try to be concentrating right now. So as you can see, y'all are mostly gonna hear not my voice, but the voice on the. Yes, I'm in first place. Okay, I can see you good. As you can see, my brother has a PS4. We have Red Dead Redemption 2. As y'all know, that game was new. Probably they made it on December, like the Christmas or something like that. I don't remember, but yeah, it was made at that time. And also Black Ops 4, which is we don't have. That one was new. The newest one. I would go with Black Ops 4. The other people mostly play, like other big YouTubers that have big fans and stuff. Yeah, they mostly play. We also have Call of Duty Black Ops 3. We used to have Call of Duty Black Ops 4, but like it was not in our PS4. So my brother used to have an Xbox 360, but we didn't have it on that. We had it in our PS3 that we used to have and that we sold. And the money that we sold it with, my brother bought shoes, and yeah. And when it was time for my brother's birthday, that's when they bought him his PS4. And yeah, and I got this one for fun because like I kept on getting bored since like my phone doesn't have service. And which is on the one that I'm recording right now. So yeah, I post them on YouTube when like I get service or at school whenever I connect it with the Wi-Fi. Oh, I'm on my final lap, finally. I keep on getting good landings and sometimes bad landings, but the good part is that like I'm actually pretty good at this one. But like my friend, he plays on the ATV, and yeah, it's kind of hard to pass those because they're like faster than dirt bikes, and yeah. He used to have his four-wheeler, his ATV upgraded until like, I don't know what happened. He probably lost the profile that he was on, that saved on, or something like that, and I don't remember what happened. We used to play it a lot. And yeah, as you can see, I'm selling my Xbox, but I don't know if they're gonna buy it or not, because if they do, I just passed it. First place, baby. Oh, what? What did I get? I got a new rider gear. It's a helmet. Okay. The graphic kits. Finish. As you can see, this is the dirt bike that I'm always using, and here's a four-wheeler that the ATV that my friend's using, but his is all upgraded and it does not look like this one. His has Blink Star or this one, I don't remember. I think it was this last one, but I don't remember, but yeah. His was that one. Mine was the dirt bike. So I gotta go back. No! No! restart everything since I don't have the memory. Okay, guys. Comment down below if y'all liked it or not. But yeah. I'll get back to the video in a little.